let's get started. All right. No, like, if you gotta have some nerve to want to do it. Hey, Kai, you got something you want to say?
Yeah, can you like teach us Objective 94?
I think I can. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay. Here we go. Objective 94. I think 94 is easier. Like now we are starting to get the hang of all these three letters, A's and S's. Recall the four big postulates. SAS was the first. There's one. SAS is one. SSS. SS.
Nope. AS.
A's. There's one more. That one, we're going to get to that. ASA. You got SAS and ASA. You got S and you got A's. Those are your four. Now, the one of combination of these letters that does not work, that you should not use is this is recording, right? SSA, that's what you meant, right? Right. SSA, I'm going to write SSA. You write whatever you need to write to remember. I mean, you know, I wrote it this way. If you write it this way, remember that one's not good. And that's why I said make sure that you look out for that one. So, bless you. Thank you. That's on the video. Okay. So, make sure if we see two triangles that have an angle side-side, congruent to an angle side-side, that's not good unless what? What's the one-time SSA? Actually,
That's a right angle.
Yeah, if the A is a right, we're going to use it, but we're not going to call it this, for obviously somebody thought this through.
That's 40.
We're going to call it HL. HL. Tori, your notes, you're already on there for you.
Oh, okay. I had a dentist appointment.
How'd it go?
My whole right face is numb.
Right.
And then I tried to eat a nugget and I just
Don't eat it. That's the lesson. Don't eat a nugget on the day that you go to the
It was
dentist.
like coming like straight out of my mouth.
Hey,
Okay, so
all on video.
pay attention. Listen. Okay, pay attention. SSA, or remember, if you see that here, that's no good. We cannot use that. We can use HL, special. Our first triangle. This is what's going to happen. Here's your triangle. You're going to be given one. And it's going to have plenty of markings on it. I mean, we got a couple angles. We got a couple sides. They're just trying to give us some markings. We got a right and a one angle. We'll call that the one angle. We got a one and a two side. Now let's try to match this up. All right, looking at the first one. I got right angle, the one angle, and the two side.
No.
Now why does that not work? Look, if I go my right angle and my one angle, the two is supposed to be between it, right?
Yeah.
So that one's no good. All right, the next one. I got my right angle. I got my one angle, and then the two between it. Does that sound good?
Yeah.
The right angle, one and the two between it. Now, not only is that it, what would the combo be? What's the postulate? ASA. Yeah. Hey, ASA. And we'll just look at C. We obviously know C is wrong, but let's just see the one angle, the right, and then the two side. The one angle, the right, well, the two is supposed to be between them. We won't even look at these. All right, so that's what one of the right ones looks like. Here's one of the just regular obtuse ones. Again, lots of markings. You actually have all three angles, 1, 2, 3. And then sides-wise, you have a 1 and a 3 side. Keep that in mind. We don't have a 2 side. We have a 1 and a 3. First one up. Remember what I told you to look out for. Angle, side, side. Not even a chance. This actually matches up with that. You got your 2 angle connected to your 3 side, connected to your 1 side. 2 angle, 3 side, 1 side. Oh, look. But think of what that spells out when you say angle, side, side. Doesn't work, even if it matches up and it looks right. You can't use angle, side, side. So that one is out. Just by the fact that we can't use angle, side, side, and we don't have a right angle. B. You got your 1 angle and your 2 angle with the 2 side between it. Now, do we even have a 2 side on our triangle?
No.
Yeah, we don't even have a 2 side, so what is that all about? We don't even have that side that you have. Coming down to 3. All right, I've got my 1 angle connected to my 2 angle, then my 3 side. My 1 angle connected to my 2 angle, but then I'm supposed to have the 3 side, not between them. My 1 angle, my 2 angle, and my 3 side, not between them. not that one. So it's gotta be D. Let's just look at what D's got happening. It's got the angles what and what? Angle what is that? Angle 1, and this is angle 3, and then the one side is between them. Do we have that happening here?
Yes, sir.
Angle 1, angle 3? So that's good. We obviously knew it was going to be good, but what's our letters here? Our postulate.
ASA.
Got aces. So first page, both aces.
What was the bottom one?
The one above here?
No, this word up top. The bottom.
Oh, HL?
Okay. Yeah, I got it.
Okay, so I've thrown 8 pieces of paper at the trash can today. 2 of them have gone in.
You're
So that
gonna
makes a 25% chance.
No game.
Okay,
You're gonna fail.
move the
Wait,
camera.
what
Go.
are we?
No game.
The camera's right here, just like rotate it over. You gotta move the book, move the book. Okay, so who says it's going in?
No, you're gonna fail.
Damn, everybody gets a little
Wait,
miss.
what is this? What are we
I got you. You got
I'm
this,
shooting
Mr.
it in that
Jones.
trash can.
I got faith.
Nolan and Andreas is the only one who believes in me.
You're gonna fail.
Because of you two. I'm making this.
Oh!
I always
We get
believe
bonus points?
you.
You
Hey, I
should.
said.
You should. You believe in me?
What is?
That's too easy of a shot.
That makes 3 for 9, so I just went from 25% to 33%. All right, continuing
I
here.
feel like it's cow.
I feel like I just knocked my.
Here we go. Zooming in, zooming in, zooming in.
Whoa.
Too much zoom in.
Blurry.
There we are. Lots of markings. A 1 and a 2 angle. A 1 and a 2 side. Let's look at our first one. You got your 1 angle and 2 angle with the one side between it. Your 1 angle and 2 angle with the one side between it. You're not seeing it? The 1 doesn't go between those 2 angles, right?
No.
All right, next one up. You got your 1 and your 2 with your 2 side between it.
No.
Nope. Definitely not. Coming down to C. All right, you got your 1 and 2 side, angle 2 between it. Here we got our 1 and 2 side. We don't have any angle between them. Again, so we know that we got D. You got go this way. Go the start. Don't go this way. I mean, you could say SAA, but we usually call it angle, angle, side. Angle 1, angle 2, then side 2. And this is flipped, but it works. Angle 1, angle 2, side 2. So it is called what? Angle, angle, side. So that one's different. A's. All right, here we got all 3 sides. You got side 1, side 2, side 3. You got angle 1 and angle 2. Let's go with first one up. Your 2 side and your 3 side with angle 2 between it. Your 2 side, your 3 side with angle 2 between it. We got it, right? That's one of them. What is that one? Of our postulates. SAS. Side, angle, side. We got 2 sides with the angle between it, congruent to 2 sides with the angle between it. It's always nice when it's the first one. You don't have to do it all 4 times.
You know, with my luck, it's always the last one.
It's always nice. So that's why it's nice to have one where it actually comes out first. Okay, when you have a right, we could actually use SSA this time and call it HL. Just keep it in mind. Just because it's right, though, doesn't mean that we're going to end up using HL. Lots of markings. A right, a 1, and then you got a 1, 2 side. First one up, your right angle. You got side 1 and side 2 with the right angle between it. Does that sound right?
No.
All right. You have, here you got your 1 angle, your right angle, your 1 side. Your 1 angle, your right angle, your 1 is supposed to be between them though, right?
Yeah.
Next one up, you got your 1 angle, your right angle, your 2 side. 1 angle, right angle, 2 side. 1 angle, right angle, nah, that should have been the 2 side. So we're on D, so we know we got the right one. Right angle, your other angle, 1 is between it. Right angle, 1 angle, 1 is between it. This is good. What's our postulate? SAS is when you got 2 sides. We got 2.
ASA.
So, well, I mean, you got the right thought. You were just thinking SAS, but it's actually, we don't have 2 S's. We have 1 S, 2 A's. Right thought, though. Uno mas here, uno mas.
What is
Here we go. Right triangle again, lots of markings. You got a right and a 1 angle. You got a 1 and a 2 side. First one up, your angle, your right angle, your 2 side. Your angle, your right angle, 2's between it though. So I can do that one. Alright, your angle, your right angle with the 1 between it. So your angle, your side, and your right angle. Well, here's our angle and our right angle, but 1 is not between it. Your angle, your right angle, your 1 side. What do you think? Your angle, your right angle, your 1 side. So can we use that one? What's that one? Your angle, your right angle, your 1 side. Angle, your right angle, your 1 side. So there we go with A's. And that is it. Okay, so if you don't want to be on the camera, you should hide your face right now. And if you won't be on the camera, strike yourself a pose, and I'm going to rotate this thing around 360 degrees.
I'm ready.
It's coming. It's coming. This is 5th hour geometry 2015. If anybody is wondering, you better hide. It's going to get you.